Hello and welcome students. I am Bharat Guru from Mechanical Engineering Department, MIT Aurangabad. In this session, we will discuss about projection of points. Point, first we see what is point. A point is that which has simply position but no magnitude. It is represented by a very small circle or. In this session, we will get into the details of point projection in first, second, third, fourth quadrant and also learn to construct front view and top view in different positions of points. Let us start with the seeing pictorial or three-dimensional representation. First case is point is in first quadrant, vertical plane, horizontal plane. This is first quadrant. Let us see point we have A is here and it is represented by capital letter A. We can look at this point A in two different views, front and top. Front view, for front view we have to see from front side, for top view we have to see from top side. Then we get the projections as like this. This is front view always denoted by dash letter. Top view always denoted by single letter A. Observer is always in this fashion, that's why we draw front view by seeing in this direction. Top view draw by seeing top direction. If we want to convert this pictorial or three-dimensional representation in orthographic projection or two-dimensional projection, for doing so we are going to rotate this horizontal plane at 90° clockwise. To draw its projection of point A, first we mark XY line above reference line, vertical plane below reference line HP, or we mark this front view A dash and top view single letter A. Okay, that is all about first quadrant. Now we are going to deal with second quadrant. Second quadrant, vertical plane, horizontal plane. This is the case of second quadrant. Point B is in second quadrant. We have to draw its projections. B, its projections comes in vertical plane as a B dash front view and in horizontal plane as a B top view. For front view, we see from front side. Always observer position is fixed. That's why the front view comes in vertical plane and top view comes in horizontal plane as B. Now we have to convert this three-dimensional view into two-dimensional view. For that purpose, we have to rotate this horizontal plane clockwise as like this. Then we can draw its two-dimensional views as like this. Reference line XY, both horizontal plane and vertical plane are above HP, and B dash and B are front view and top view of point B. Third case, point is in third quadrant, horizontal plane, vertical plane. This is the case of third quadrant. Suppose point C lies in third quadrant and its projections comes as C dash as a front view and C as a top view. If observers see in this direction, we get front view. That's why front view comes in vertical plane as C dash. If observers sees from top side, we get top view in horizontal plane. Now we want to convert this three-dimensional view into two-dimensional or orthographic view. For that purpose, we have to rotate this horizontal plane again clockwise in 90°. Then we get the projections. For that we have to draw XY line. above xy line horizontal plane, below xy line vertical plane when point lies in third quadrant, and the projections comes a dash below xy and a above xy. Now we see what happens when point is in fourth quadrant, vertical plane, horizontal plane. This is the case of fourth quadrant. Point D is in fourth quadrant. If we want to draw its projections comes in vertical plane as D dash, and in horizontal plane it comes as a D. As we know, we front view draw from front side, observer is in that position. We get the projections in vertical plane as a D dash, and in horizontal plane we get top view by seeing top side. This is the case when point lies in fourth quadrant. If we want to draw its orthographic view or two-dimensional view, again we have to rotate this horizontal plane in clockwise direction, means we get the both HP and VP below XY line, and if we want to mark its front view and top view, both comes below XY line. Can you guess what happen when point is in or on reference planes? What about its projections? How to draw its front view and top view? Up till now we see what happens when point A is in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. But there may be case when point is in or on HP or VP. Let us see. This is vertical plane, horizontal plane, intersecting line XY, or we call it as a reference line XY. Suppose point E is in VP. What about its projections? Suppose point F is in VP but below XY. What about its projections? Next point is G. This is in horizontal plane but in front of vertical plane. Suppose point H is in HP but behind VP. And last point I is on reference line, means I lies in all quadrants. Let us start with its projections. This, as we know, we always draw first reference line XY, above XY, horizontal plane, below vertical plane. Now what about the projection of E? Always we have to draw front view first. That's why we draw E dash in front view, and top view we get on reference line. What about F? F is in VP but below XY line. If we see from front side, we will get front view below XY, and XY we denote this by F dash, and its top view comes on a reference line on XY. Point G is in HP but in front of VP. First, always we have to draw first front view. That's why we get G dash on a reference line, and its top view below XY line. Point H is in HP behind VP. First, draw its front view. If we see from front side, we will see H in or on reference line. That's why we get the projections H dash on reference line, and its top view above XY line, and the I lies on XY line. That's why both front view top view comes on XY line. As main basic concept here is we have to rotate this horizontal plane clockwise 90 degree, then we get projections. We see all the cases of projection of point. Now we start with some examples. Before going to solving actual example of projection of point, First we read these general comments about projection of points. The front view and the top view of a point are always on the same vertical line. If a point is above the HP, its front view is above XY line. If a point is below HP, its front view is below XY line. If a given point is in front of VP, its top view is below XY line. If a point is behind VP, its top view is above XY line. Now we can go for solving the example. Try to read this example and try to draw it on paper. Then we will discuss about these things. Write down about this all these examples. Draw the projections of the following points. Pause the video. Write down all the examples. Try to solve these examples. As well as I will show you one more type of example. Try to solve that example also. Here figure shows the actual projections of the points. From that projection we have to decide its positions, means determine the position of the points where the point locates, means with a reference of projection planes we have to mark its quadrants also. Next time we will discuss in detail. Up till now we discuss about the projection of points. Thank you.